Chapter 1, in which my mother says she wants to be buried in rags and sacking, and is not. And my mother always said that when she died, she wanted to be buried face down in rags and sacking. Many times she said, "When I die, I want to be buried dressed in rags and sacking, face down in the earth." Nothing else. She wanted nothing else, so that even in her death, she could deny desire. And she never wanted anything in life or death, because for her, the worst thing was to want. And she said, "I don't want, I don't know how to want," so that when it came to mentioning her end, she wanted to not want. She never saw, of course, that her dying wish was a contradiction, how it contained in her denial the very want she was avoiding, and that behind every denial of want was the want she did not want. And she lived her whole life like this, negatively and perfectly confident at the same time, not of what she wanted, but of all that she did not want.